So I'll be showing you how to change or how to adjust activity goals on your Apple Watch. So press the crown, and from the main menu or the app screen, tap on the activities app, and this is what you're going to see on the activities app. Okay, so that's what's going to be at the top. So what you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom until you see change goals. So tap on that, and then the first goal you can change is the move goal. Okay, now move, mine is set to 500 calories. I've been wanting to increase this to about 1,000 for some time, so just keep on tapping until you get to 1,000 or whatever goal you want. Personally, I want it at 1,000. Okay, and then tap on next. Then you have the time for exercise. Mine is set to 30 minutes, which is my goal. I'll increase that to 45 minutes. And then I'll tap on next. And then you have the stand goal, which I want to leave at 12 hours. And then, but you can increase or reduce that. I'll leave mine at 12 hours and tap OK. And that's it. You've now basically, as you can see, I've now moved 86 out of the possible 1,000. I've exercised for 1 minute out of the 45, which is my goal, and I've stood for 5 hours out of a possible 12 hours. So that's basically how you can adjust or how you can change your exercise goals on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.